Hello. Nature have it down. Sometimes nature have it down. When I say nature have it down, it means that sometimes nature can do certain things. You will see that there is some limitation in nature. So nature itself is not 100% good to suit what you feel the nature can do for you. So nature have it down. It has it down to the extent that sometimes you will feel down with yourself, or your entire body can become down. And when you become down, don't worry. You need to feel happy and feel fine by feeling your heart. Feeling your heart, listening to your heart. When you are sleeping, sometimes you can't sleep well. But when you see you can't sleep well, you don't have to think about the reason why you can't sleep well. What you have to do is to listen to your heart full and live within yourself. Be alone inside within you at the time you are on bed sleeping. When you do these things, you forget the world totally, and then the confusion that has come into yourself, like the low energy that you are passing through. What will help you is to turn inward and listen there and feel there for a long time at there. That time, the nature that has bring you down you will be okay to face it. It will change. The nature too, it come down, it come on. So when you feel that you are down with yourself, don't worry. Feel within and you will be okay. Thank you. Bye bye.